Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying prerequisites and preparing a backup. This avoids data loss. First, check TPM2. 0 and secure boot in UEFI, confirm 64-bit CPU and at least 4 GB RAM. Once done, create a full system backup or copy critical files to an external drive. Make sure you have your Windows 11 Pro product key or digital license ready. Now open Settings, we move directly into the edition change, so don't hesitate, we'll switch the OS edition next. You'll perform the edition switch and installation steps now. Go to Settings, System, Activation, then choose Change Product Key, enter the Windows 11 Pro key. The system will validate and begin edition upgrade. This preserves apps and files. Once prompted, restart to apply changes. If your hardware needs fresh install media, run Windows Update and download the Media Creation tool. Create a USB installer and boot if clean install is required. Make sure drivers are available. Pause and fetch them before proceeding. You'll finish by validating activation and updating drivers so everything functions. After restart, open Settings to confirm Windows 11 Pro is activated. Run Windows Update until no updates remain. Make sure drivers are current via Device Manager and reinstall OEM drivers if peripherals misbehave. If activation fails, copy the error code, retry entering the product key, and run the activation troubleshooter. One key troubleshooting tip: disconnect peripherals and retry activation. Conflicting devices sometimes block the process, then reconnect them after success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.